Welcome to the top best. The best glitter tape is probably one of the most versatile and dazzling additions to any crafter's toolkit, instantly transforming ordinary projects into sparkling masterpieces with its adhesive-backed shimmer and wide array of colors and patterns. Whether you're looking to add a touch of magic to scrapbooks, personalize gifts, decorate party supplies, or even create unique wearable art, this shimmering tape offers an effortless way to inject personality and visual interest into your creations, making it an indispensable item for DIY enthusiasts and professional artists alike seeking to elevate their craft. Number 5. Mr. Pen Washi Tape Set. Unleash your creativity with this set of 21 rolls of washi tape. It comes in assorted sizes and beautiful floral designs, perfect for any project. You'll find 3 different widths included: 0.6 inch, 0.3 inch, and 0.12 inch tapes. This variety ensures you have the perfect size for any application. These tapes feature lovely designs, from pastels and vintage florals to seasonal themes. They are suitable for both adults and children to enjoy. Easily tear them by hand and reposition them without leaving any sticky residue. They won't damage your paper, making them incredibly user-friendly. Use them to enhance your diaries, journals, planners, gift wrapping, scrapbooks, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of sizes and beautiful designs, perfect for detailed work. It's repositionable, making it forgiving for beginners. If you love decorating journals, planners, or scrapbooks with intricate patterns, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Sticks perfectly and you can reapply and move if needed. It's sturdy and works well in my Bible. Beautiful designs and colors. Colors are pastels with flowers and butterflies in green, pink, purple, and beige. The entire butterfly is on the tape. Most others have the wings cut off, etc., so all you get is an effect of butterflies. Finally, I found butterflies that are complete, so I can cut out a complete butterfly from the tape if I want. Tapes stick well and are translucent, again unlike many others that are dark and thick. I use my tapes over watercolor pictures and like them to blend in. Washi tape is supposed to be thin and transparent after all. Number 4. Craftzilla Colored Masking Tape Multi-Pack. Discover a world of color with our vibrant masking tape. It's perfect for all your arts, crafts, and labeling needs, offering endless possibilities for your projects. Tired of dull colors and weak adhesive? Our premium tape comes in 6 vibrant shades with a strong hold that makes your projects pop and stays put. From arts and crafts to carpentry and labeling, this tape adds a colorful touch anywhere you need it. Get creative with its many uses every day. Enjoy mess-free crafting at home, work, or school. Our tape is designed to stick strong yet peel off cleanly, thanks to its natural rubber adhesive. Transform your space for Halloween. It's perfect for creating haunted house decorations and adding a festive touch to your party setup. Bring your spooky ideas to life this Halloween. Use these vibrant colors for everything from DIY costumes to pumpkin decorating. Make back-to-school supplies fun and functional. Decorate and reinforce your items with these bright, colorful tapes. What we like? This pack provides vibrant colors and a strong, yet clean-peeling adhesive, ideal for a wide range of applications. If you need reliable tape for arts, crafts, labeling, or even temporary home projects, this is a great option for bold, lasting results. What people say. The glitter tape is very sticky and adheres well to various surfaces. It has a beautiful, sparkly finish that adds a nice touch to crafts. The tape is easy to cut and work with, making it great for detailed projects. Number 3. Craftzilla Colored Masking Tape Multi-Pack. Discover a world of color with our multi-pack of masking tape. It's perfect for all your artistic endeavors, from simple crafts to elaborate projects. Say goodbye to dull colors and weak adhesion. Our premium tape boasts 7 vibrant hues and a strong, reliable hold for all your needs. From arts and crafts to labeling and DIY projects, this tape adds a splash of color anywhere you need it. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any toolkit. Enjoy a mess-free experience with our specially formulated adhesive. It sticks strong when you need it to, yet peels off cleanly without leaving residue. Get into the Halloween spirit with these colorful tapes. They are perfect for creating haunted house decorations and adding a festive touch to your parties. Let your imagination run wild with this set of rainbow masking tape. These vibrant colors are ideal for elevating your seasonal crafts and bringing spooky ideas to life. We stand by our high-quality colored tape and exceptional customer service. Let us help you make your next project big, bright, and bold. What we like. Offering a generous amount of tape in 7 vibrant colors, this option is perfect for larger projects or frequent use. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to add color to crafts, labeling, or school supplies, this provides excellent value and coverage. What people say. Very easy to tear off strips and write on. They stick well to the items I have put them on. The colors are bright and the stick is strong. Great for crafts and STEM experiences with my students. Number 2. Scotch Glitter Washi Tape. Elevate your journaling, planner, and notebook organization. Its easy, tear-by-hand usability and variety of colors and patterns make creativity effortless. Organize, personalize, and decorate your space with ease. It's initially repositionable and simple to use, removing the stress of complicated materials. Perfect for labeling upcycled jars or sealing a sweet message. Add that special touch to gifts and crafts whenever inspiration strikes. Keep it on hand for endless DIY projects. From kids' activities to last-minute party ideas, it's ready when inspiration hits. Add sparkle to your projects with confidence. You can trust that the glitter stays put, without getting all over your hands. For the best adhesion, try to avoid touching the sticky side before applying. Finger oils can affect the adhesive, so handle with care. Ensure your surface is clean and dry before application. Simply peel the desired length and place it for a perfect finish. What we like. This tape adds a beautiful sparkle without the mess, and it's repositionable for easy adjustments. If you want to add a touch of glamour to holiday crafts, gift wrapping, or journaling, this is the perfect way to make your projects shine. What people say. The colors are vibrant, the adhesion is great, and I had no issues with it sticking well to my TRP paper in my planner. The glitter does not transfer off the tape very well. I didn't have any transfer to my fingers when applying this tape throughout my planner. It is beautiful, the colors are saturated, and so vibrant. The tape is easy to work with. The quality is exceptional both in the feel and stickiness. Number 1. DIY Crew 30 Rolls Washi Masking Tape Set. Introducing our premium set of 30 washi tape rolls, perfect for all your crafting needs. With a wide variety of colorful designs and patterns, you can easily add a personal touch to any project. Each roll measures 15 mm wide and 3 meters long, offering ample tape for numerous applications. You'll receive 10 solid colors and 20 unique pattern designs to spark your imagination. Use them to decorate your planner, highlight important dates, frame photos, or wrap gifts. These vibrant tapes are sure to impress your friends with your creative flair. Worry-free decorating is here. This tape won't damage your walls or furniture, and it can be easily removed and repositioned without leaving any residue behind. Perfect for kids too. Crafted with quality in mind, you're backed by our satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues, simply reach out to us for a solution. What we like. With 30 unique designs, this set offers incredible variety for all your creative needs. It's residue-free, making it safe for walls and furniture. If you enjoy constantly changing up your decor, personalizing items, or need a vast selection for DIY projects, this is an excellent value pack. What people say. It sticks, but can be removed without much difficulty. I used this tape, primarily in my journal, and did not experience unwanted peeling from the page. This was mostly used to adhere business appointment cards to standard paper and held well. It's very pretty and functional. It doesn't look like there's a lot on each roll, but I think the thinness of the tape is deceiving. It has lasted for quite a few projects and there's still a lot left. The amount of rolls and variety of designs and colors was great. It's thin but durable and sticks and peels off well. The patterns and colors are so vibrant and fun, they instantly jazz up my journal pages and add a touch of whimsy to my creations. Plus, the variety in this set is truly impressive. There's a washi tape for every mood, theme, and occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.